Okay, good morning to everyone. First of all, I told you that I will show on a topic of yesterday. It's okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Uh,
continue.
the topic is about the bootstrap. Um, how to how we can change dynamically a class of CSS bootstrap. According to the size of the device. Okay, I will show how we can do that in Angular. Okay, let me show my screen. Okay, here I have the exercise of the prior classes. If you remember, we have an apparent and two child component. The first step is to install the Bootstrap library or the framework Bootstrap. I go to this page of the Bootstrap, and we can go to the download and go to the npm to install the Bootstrap into your application of Angular. Open a new terminal, and I write the command and enter. This is very fast to install. Okay, while it's installing, I return to the page. In the first part, in the introduction section, here we have um, some link we need to add to our application. For example, I'll um, copy this. Copy this. For example, this is reading. In the index file, I will copy this. Okay. So save all and open my application in, in in Google Chrome, localhost 10. Okay, I will change this button. I add some CSS Bootstrap to change the appearance. For example, I go to the child component number one, and here are the button. If you go to the component in Bootstrap page, for example, you can see in the component section we have buttons, and in this button you can copy, for example, this class. This class is for the primary class, like this. Okay, I copy this and paste in my buttons. Save all and go to the page to see the results. Okay, I have an error. Let me check, please.
Yeah, hello, Paresh.
Okay, it's because I have copied this.
Yeah, hi, Paresh. Hello.
uh, This was duplicated. Okay.
Yeah, Paresh, sorry, I have to drop. I have a client meeting right now. So, you please continue on the work.
Okay. Reading.
And one thing I told you, I have subscribed your channel. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so. Thank you so much
Okay.
for all your help.
Reading. Here are my buttons. Okay. The objective is to change the size of the button dynamically according to the size of my screen. For example, if I change the screen, for example, if I change the size, the button are the same, and I want to change the size of the button because the size of this device is smaller. Okay, if I change, for example, to another device, the buttons are not adapted to the size of the screen. Okay, the objective of this is to explain how we can change this size dynamically. As you can see in the Bootstrap page, in the section of size of the button, we have different size for the button. For example, btn-LG for the large button. We have btn-SM for a small button, and so on. Okay. Um, for example, if I add this class in my button, um, in here, btn small, for example, will be button small. Okay, for example, I return to my application. I save this to refresh. Wait for a finish. As you can see, the button is more smaller. Okay, but the objective is to change this dynamically. For example, if the user display your application in a computer, for example here, let me check. The button will be more large. Okay. Well, to do that, we need to add some code. For example, in the first step, we need to detect the size change dynamically. Okay. Um, I will I need to add an enum. Let me add a folder called enums. Okay, in this folder I add an enum. Open Terminator, ng generate enum. I will call enum, for example, size. Okay, open the enum. As you can see, here I will declare some size. For example, a small equals 1. Okay, medium equals 2, large equals 3, and extra large equals 4. Okay. Wait. The next step is go to the component. For example, in this component, I will add a type of div enum. Okay. Let me a moment. Okay. I will add a type in this part. Type. Are you follow me? You are follow me.
Yeah, we can hear you. Continue.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I add a type of the type enum size. Next, I will add a variable. Okay, For example, I will call size device equals new size. Okay. Next, I add a event to detect changes in the screen. Give me a moment. Okay, I will add from here. I will add an event to detect the changes in the size of the screen. I will declare as here host listener window the size. Okay, and will receive an array based on the size. And here, when my component detect a change in the size of the screen, I will call a function. This detect screen size. I will declare this. I will implement this function here. Okay? And this part, I will detect the change of the screen and initialize my variable. For example, if window dash inner width is minus or equals to 576, then I will initialize my variable that is here, input size device. Okay, my variable size device will be equals a new size dot small. What is the problem here? Size. Size.